boys and girls, it's Wednesday today, and it definitely does not feel the same doing these lessons to you through video. I assure you that Mrs. Hatfield, Mrs. Collins, Mrs. Wood, and myself miss you all very much. But today we are working on rounding decimals. All right, some of you have done this, some of you have not, and that's okay. But the good thing is if you can round whole numbers, then rounding decimals is a breeze. So we use our same steps, okay? So if your number is 35.261, all right, boys and girls, when you round decimals, you only have to round them to the nearest whole number. So here I have 35 and 261 thousandths. My nearest whole number here, boys and girls, is my 5. So if I'm going to round it to my nearest whole number, I'm going to underline my 5, circle my 2, draw my line to it. My 2 tells my 5 to stay the same, so it stays the same, so it rounds to 35. And that is my answers. I do not include my decimal or fill the rest in with zeros. So let's go over the rule for whether it goes up or it stays the same. I should have done that to begin with, but I forgot. But if the numbers 0 through 4, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the number stays the same. And if the number's 5 to 9, you're going to round your number up. Okay? So let's do another one for practice. What if you had 62.784? Again, you're always going to round to the nearest whole number. So you have your 2. Your 7 tells your 2 to go up to a 3. So your answer would be 63. Okay? Another example might be 0.984. Here, your nearest whole number is still going to be this 0. Even though it's a 0 and has no value right now, you would still round to that place. So the 9 would tell that 0 to go up to a 1. So it would round to 1. Okay? Let's look at one that always confuses you guys. What if you had 39.986? Okay, your nearest whole number is this 9. So this 9 tells this 9 to go up to a 10. Now, I always tell my students to write it as 10 like this. And I know that I'm going to add this 3 and this 1 as a 4. This 9 is going to be a 0. So 39,986 thousandths is going to be closer to 40. Boys and girls, as you work through your practice, remember to follow all of your steps. You're underlining the number you're rounding to, which for decimals, it's just going to be the nearest whole number. You're circling the number to the right, you're drawing your arrow, and then you're writing your new number. Follow that steps on all your work. We will be looking at Class Kit to make sure you have followed those steps and not just written an answer. So work hard and get it all done.